Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Our general rule of thumb is to plan on between 30 and 60 minutes per pound. For example, a 16-pound brisket cooked at 275 degrees Fahrenheit will take between 10 and 12 hours. The entire process from trimming, injection, seasoning, and cooking will take between 18 and 20 hours. Give yourself enough time.
Let's help you make your mark.
In addition to the stall, remember there is a larger difference between meat temp and ambient temp early in the cook, which means it takes on heat faster. The thing with brisket is they're all different and all cook different. Having said that, the stall is coming and it can take a good while.
Let's help you make your mark.
The relatively short answer if you are in a hurry and want just a quick and simple answer to your question, here it is: cook your brisket with the fat side down. For most smokers, the heat comes from the bottom of the cooker, so cooking brisket with the fat side down will protect the meat from exposure to direct heat.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.